The Limiting Reagent Interactive Calculator determines which reactant runs out first in chemical reactions and calculates theoretical product yields. This calculator offers 5 calculation modes: 2 reactants to 1 product, 3 reactants to 1 product, 2 reactants to multiple products, limiting reagent with % yield, and mass-to-mass stoichiometry. For this demonstration, I'm using 2 reactants to 1 product mode. The input fields are moles of reactant A, moles of reactant B, stoichiometric coefficient A, stoichiometric coefficient B, and product coefficient. Simply enter your values and click Calculate. Let's work through an example. I'll input 10 for moles of reactant A, 10 for moles of reactant B, 10 for stoichiometric coefficient A, 10 for stoichiometric coefficient B, and 10 for product coefficient. The calculator shows reactant B as the limiting reagent, meaning it will be completely consumed first. The theoretical product is 10,000 moles, which is the maximum amount of product possible. Reactant A is identified as the excess reagent with 0.0 moles remaining, indicating both reactants are fully consumed in this balanced scenario. This tool streamlines stoichiometry calculations for process optimization. Find the link in the description below.